Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set alerts on the FxPro trading application. So first of all, you need to simply launch the app, then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on the option of trade and make sure that one of your accounts, like a demo account, is selected over here. Then you just have to simply select the instrument in which you want to basically set the alert. For example, let's say I want to set the alert in gold. So after selecting it, you are going to see this type of clock icon on the top. So you just have to tap on it. Then you need to tap on the option of turn on, and the notifications are going to basically turn on. Now over here, you just have to enter the target price. So this is the price which is going to basically when basically the candles closes that particular price, you are going to get an alert. So let's say I want to set the alert for at 4080. So when the candles are going to cross this particular price level, I'm going to get an alert. So it will automatically take the price change. If you don't want to select it, you can also change, you can also basically select the price change. So you can add the percentage and it will automatically select the price. So that's how you can tap on the option of create alert, and it will say that you have successfully created the alert. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.